Next up, we get to kick it with Liz. Liz is an engineer right here at Boston Scientific. The cool thing about her job is she gets to play in labs like these, build and test cool things that change people's lives. So I'm excited to meet her. I know you are. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up, Liz?
Hey, Juice.
So what exactly do we have here?
Yeah, I'm excited to show you. Boston Scientific makes medical devices, and then we need to figure out a way to make sure that those devices work. So my team builds systems that act kind of like the human body so we can test our products.
That's dope.
If we look in here, this is actually meant to model a human heart, and we have a heating element to mimic what body temperature would look like. Testing is never perfect, so then we have some major updates that happen because of that. So that's a big bulk of my work here.
What are we about to do right now?
Now we're gonna go ahead and load the wire through the valve. This is the live camera feed of the valve that's sitting there. So all you've gotta do is advance this. So just grab it, push. If you look down on this side, you can see that we're out here. And then at some point you're gonna see it on the screen.
Two hours later. So
just imagine actually having to do this procedure where you don't have a camera and you can't see through the model.
You can't see through the model. So long story short, don't let me put this through your body. So what's kind of your motivation and your why for like coming to work every day and working on stuff like this?
My grandma had a prosthetic leg.
Oh, wow.
Back in Colombia, and I used to always like tinker around with that, and I thought it was a really interesting thing to see and go to the doctor with her and see how they like adjusted the heights and how that changed the gait cycle and how she would walk. And so ever since then, I always wanted to do something engineering related, but on the healthcare side. It's crazy to actually be able to be a part of something that, you know, I'm like testing devices and building systems to try to make sure that what we're building is safe and is actually going to go to people and help people. So that's a huge motivation. And then on a personal level, it's very fun to come in and play in the lab. Like I think it's great that I actually get paid to do this job. That I get paid to just come in and play in the lab. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of learning. There's a lot of days where things don't go as planned, which are the best days because that's where you learn everything that was going wrong for months that you had no idea.
Well, Liz, thank you for allowing us to come in, work, and play in this nice little demonstration. But I'm actually gonna stay here. I told you I'm competitive, so I'm gonna stay here and try to figure this out.
Seems like it's gonna take you a while though. So maybe I'm gonna go get lunch.
Oh, okay. I'll be here.
All right.
I'll be here.